Raisa, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Clark na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father. My dearest love, I guess I'll start by, looks like we made it. Look how far we've come, my baby. We might have took the long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
Ngayong ikakasal kayo, wala kayong magagawa na kundi patuloy na ibigay ang second chance. Clark, Raisa, ito ang bagong simula, bagong yugto ng iyong buhay.
My eyes, been staring at the ceiling for a while, and my heart's got this feeling. My eyes, they must be more for seeing. They grow like titans, or it seems. And I know, I must be planted for a reason.
Naging high school girlfriend ko na siya for few months lang. And then,
Crush na daw talaga niya ako noon, kahit nung grade 5 pa.
nung umuwi ako galing Japan 2016, ayan, niligawan ko siya ulit.
Hindi siya nagtatanong kung tayo na ba, ganyan. Pero binibigyan niya ako ng kung ano, pumupunta siya sa bahay, nanliligaw siya. Kaya daw niya mag-antay kahit gaano katagal.
Hindi ko alam, hindi ko ma-explain. Parang masaya ako.
Talaga kami yung parang couple sa barkada. Pero pag kasama namin yung barkada, hindi kami mukhang couple. Hindi sinasabi nga nila, never pa nila kaming nakita nag-kiss or naging sweet kasi barkada kami talaga.
Makulit ako, palatawa ako. I don't do much emotional na mga bagay. Baga, gusto ko happy lang most of the time.
Miles away, but I believe that everything's about to change. And if you could be my open skies, and I could be your wildflower. Yeah, I could be your wildflower. And underneath the sea of stars I'll bloom to make it through to where everything could be ours. If you could be my open skies and I could be your wildflower.
Clark, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Raisa na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, Father.
Itong araw na to is your day. I want you to know na I'm so proud of you. Pinanindigin mo to. For how many years?
Today, I promise to cherish the second chance we've been given, to honor your heart as my own, to build a life that celebrates the beauty of our journey, and to never take for granted the love we've discovered again in each other.
I could be your
two opposite. Not having a relationship for a long time only proves that only you can handle my slightly high maintenance and masungit self, just like how Chandler handled Monica being high maintenance. And I will be forever grateful for that.
Nangako ako, ipagdiriwang ang iyong tagumpay na parang akin. Mananatili sa tabi mo sa oras ng mga pagsubok. At hinding-hindi titigil makita ang kahangang-hanging tao na ikaw. Ipinapangako ko na makikinig ng bukas ang puso, igagalang ka ng lubos, at aalagaan ang pag-ibig na pinagsaluhan natin. Ako ay magiging iyong katuwang sa lahat ng bagay. Ang iyong tagapagtanggol, pinakamalaking taga-suporta. At ang taong patuloy na magsisikap na makita kang nakangiti. Sa iyo, natagpuan ko ang aking tahanan, at ang puso ko ay iyo magpakailanman.
Call me home as the ocean throws the water to the shoreline, the blanket on the coast.
Kung gaano kayo kasaya sa araw na ito, kung papanong naluluha pa kayo nung nakikita niyo ang isa't isang naglalakad sa gitna, balikan niyo lagi yung araw na ito.
And it's singing on and on.
I promise to follow your lead as the head of our family. I promise to be sweet and clingy just like what you always wanted, and to stay with you through highs and lows, with God in the middle of our relationship.